Hello guys, what's up? This is Junaid. Welcome back again to Xfinity, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix a problem which is not connected, no connections are available. As you can see on the screen, I have only the option here network and internet settings, and I am unable to connect to my internet, although I have a working Wi-Fi and I have a Ethernet plugged in, but still I am unable to use internet because of this error. The error is not connected, no connections are available. So in this video I will show you a quick fix how to fix this kind of problem. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go to your file explorer and right click on this PC and hit properties. Okay, go to PC, right click and click on properties, and then you need to go to device manager, and here what you need to find, you need to go to network adapters. Okay, network adapters. After that you need to find your 802.11 wireless adapter or any other LAN you are connected. This will appear here. Okay, what you need to do, you need to disable this device. Okay, and click yes. After that you will see a arrow sign here. If you see arrow sign here, you need to click on enable device again, and after that it will start some processing, and as you can see I have successfully connected to my internet and my wireless connections are available, and you can use your internet easily now. Okay, this is a very easy and quick fix on how to fix this kind of problem. Let us open Chrome and see if it is working or not. Let us open YouTube. Okay, let us open YouTube, and as you can see it is working, and it is a quick fix. It is a quick fix on how to fix no connections and no internet error. Okay, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you find any problem you can comment down below. Thank you so much.